bop bop baby do wah, doobly bop bop baby do wah, doobly bop bop baby do wah, dop dop baby do wah, doobly bop bop baby do wah.
It was really, really good. There were some really quite harder bits and there were some easier bits.
And we had lots of fun.
10 out of 10. Amazing.
That was the best thing I've ever done.
Today, I really loved it. I never thought it would be so good.
I think the treetop course was excellent for our children. It really linked in well with their learning. It brought their learning to life, seeing how the maths and the zip wire all linked together, and seeing all the trees and how high up they were was really good for their story writing and their imagination. It was excellent to come, and it was a brilliant day for everyone.